Chameleon Flakes, Intense Color Shift. And let me tell you, these colors are pretty intense. It comes with this pretty nice brush that has soft hairs packed in pretty firm, puts me in the mind of a correction brush. There's 5 containers. Take a look at these powerful and amazing colors. In today's Bougie Nails on a Budget, we'll see how they work on 3 different backgrounds and hopefully get to see a nail set.
So before I start these swatches, let me just explain real quick. I'm just kind of going in as is and recording like this because this is actually a redo of the swatches. I didn't like the first one, which if I have time, I will show them to you. But I decided to do them over. So we're going to do this first color. And also the other thing I need to make mention is the camera was having a hard time focusing because of all of the sparkle. So yeah, and also when you open these and begin to use them, let me move this brush out of the way so I don't tip anything over, because you really have to be careful with these. Don't have your fan on. If there's any air circulating, if they're close to you and you breathe on them, they're just going to blow out and just fly everywhere, which is also why I have the paper towel down. So we're just going to get started, guys. So I wanted to do it on black. In the next swatches, if there's time, I'll do it on white. I really wanted to do a set in the same video, but if there's not time, there's going to be a different... Look at this, guys. And yeah, it doesn't take much. So this is going to last pretty much a lifetime. What am I trying to call these? Anyway, whatever I'm trying to call them, you guys get the point, right? And also make sure to wipe any of the color that you just used off of your brush real good. These are just so pretty. Oh, see, there I go. I said pretty and it blew everywhere. I'll show you. See it on my gloves? So yeah, be careful when you use these. Make sure you have something laid down, and you just have to be careful of any air hitting it. Look at how they're even flaking off the nail while I'm talking. Oh my gosh, the way it looks on the black. You don't even have to burnish it, like rub it in. They just go in. This is a good brush, so I'm glad that this brush was in it. I didn't know how to expect the kit to come. So yeah, the brush is doing very well by it. I was thinking, you know, like the stuff that we get, because this is not actually a nail product. This was, what was it for? I'll look it up and then tell you, but this was actually not a nail product. However, in the on the web page, it did show that you could do your nails with it. This was it for soap or candles or... Oh, this one isn't coming open again, so I'm gonna have to peel this. Let me just get something and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got that off. I'm gonna put it away from me because I'm scared to talk around it now. But this is turning out so beautiful, and you don't need a lot, as you can see. And it's blowing everywhere as it comes off the brush onto the nail. But I can still see it flowing and blowing as I'm talking. Oh, it looks so nice on the black. Oh, and I'll give you guys an up close in a minute as soon as I'm done. This doesn't take long, so hopefully I will be able to show doing a set with them. But I do have some other colors to swatch them on, and you'll see that too. I'm so OCD with my having things in order, aren't I? Oh, just that opening. You got, and be careful when you open them. These have that seal. If you got any type of airflow, even by just like I'm saying, talking, it's gonna blow away. So these two colors look pretty similar. The difference being there's purple in this color, and I really like that. So that's like blue and green, and this has got blue and green and purple. Ah, The first thing I thought of when I got these is you guys ever see like those cars with the chameleon paint on it? That's what these remind me of so much. So when I do the next color, I'm probably going to speed up the swatches just to get some time through. What do you guys think so far? Aren't they nice? And this is like a fuchsia with blue. Let me stop talking. Hold my breath. As soon as I did that, it blew. But this is so pretty. And see, the brush just burnishes it in real nicely all on its own, so you don't even need to rub it in. Oh, I'm so excited about these guys. Look at that. Hopefully you can see it, so I'm just turning it so you could get a really good view. Look at that, guys. I'm really hoping that you guys can see this well. Oh, okay, I'm gonna put that aside. So I decided to also do it over white. Now this one I kind of globbed the polish on, so there's a little wrinkling, but we're just gonna cover it up because this is just to get an idea to see how the color looks, right? Okay, I'm not liking how it's going on the white. Let me try to hold this so it doesn't get out of place. It's not going on the white the same as it is with the black. So it's good to do this because now you get an idea of what it's going to look like, right? And how well it's going to go on. So I'm going to try something else here real quick. Let me get some on my glove. Does it go on better like this? And then I'm going to try my finger too. Yeah, I have these gloves on because I'm in between sets. As you guys know, I've done some sets on myself. And I plan to do some more. And I took the sets off. Yeah, this isn't really going on the white very well. Should I keep going? What do you think? Well, you know what? Let me try to burnish it in with my finger. I just don't like the idea of sticking my finger in there, you know. I'm trying to get it off the lid, guys, because I now got it all on my finger. No, my fingers don't look that bad. Okay, let's see how this works. Let me take it off the stand so I can handle it better. I can handle it better, so let's see how it does. We're still going on the same way. Let me dab, dab, dab. So at this point, this is just gonna have to be used on myself. So we see how it's going on over the white. Now, if anybody knows any other way to do this, okay, I'm gonna try it with a makeup sponge. Yeah, you know what? I'm loving the chrome effect that is producing, but let me bring it up closer. I don't like that you could see the grainage or, you know, the different particles. I'm not feeling that. I want it to come out that chrome look. So on white, this is what you're getting. Oh, but it looks so nice on the black. Ooh, that's a lot. Look at how big and flaky it comes out on the makeup sponge. I'm trying everything I can think of. Yeah, no. Oh, I love the metallic look though. Why couldn't it come out nice on the white? Because you might not always want it on a dark color. That's my thing. In the middle of this, he comes in and starts nudging. What? What is it? You talking to me? What? I don't understand. You gotta explain it. Oh yeah? You're frustrated. Okay, you gonna show me? So he made his demands and he's getting his snacks. Okay guys, so that interruption took place. And not only that, the battery died and I went ahead and put my glove back on since doing it wasn't working. And yeah, so it's still doing the same thing, which was pretty much expected after doing the first nail, right? Yeah, I'm not happy with how it turned out on the white. There were no instructions, as you saw in the opening, so I didn't even know how to begin to use this other than just put it on and burnish it. They're beautiful flakes though. So anyway, we'll call that one quits right there. And then you know what I'm gonna do? I am going to, with my dog's interruption, I'm just gonna go do the last ones off camera. And no matter how they turn out, I'll be back to show you how they look. Okay, forgot to give you the close-up. It looks like it covers the whole nail with the black. I don't know what makes it different between the colors. So yeah, I'll do the other ones and I'll be right back. I got flakes everywhere, all over the desk. And it's not a hard cleanup, it's just that it gets everywhere. I think they look so nice. I love it on the colors too. So let's compare it to the black. I'm hoping you can see the difference. It may look slight, but you could really tell. On the black, it's dark. It looks very nice. They're so pretty. But also on the colors, there's a little bit of like a, not glow, there's a little bit of lightness to them on the colors. And I am still trying to figure out why they look so different on the white. But isn't that beautiful?
And I was so excited about these chameleon flakes. I did decide to do a quick nail set and didn't record it, so this is how it turned out. So beautiful. If you like them, let me know by hitting that like button. And if you'd like to see more bougie nails on a budget, you can find many designs by clicking this link. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Much love.